Hi, my name is C4. I'm going to undo a pack on a gold pack to see what players I get. Let's hope I get a good player. You ready? Yes! I got Courtois. That is a good player. He's good for Liverpool. Now, just quick sell that guy. Quick sell that guy. Quick sell all of them. Except from the managers and the contracts. So let's put him in my club. And then quick sell the rest. Now, this is not the best team in the world. It's not very good, but it's alright. Got 84 Godin, and he's got 87 pace. He's got 86 pace, and he's only 82, which is Diego, which is very good for him. Striker, he's quite good. He ain't as good as the rest. Ferdinand, he is amazing. If you see what substitutes I've got absolutely rubbish substitutes. So if you'd like to send me any post letters or anything like that, the address is ME10 3QA, Hutchison's Close. So thank you for watching my video, and please give me good likes, like 100 likes please. Thank you. Thank you, 100 likes please. Peace out.